Hello, my name is Denise Owens, and I am a career counselor and employer relations specialist in the College of Humanities and Social Sciences. Today, we're going to take a look at how to make an appointment with your career counselor and how to find an event using Handshake. First, this is what you see typically when you log onto your Handshake account. To make an appointment, you're going to go to the left-hand side and click on Career Center. Once you click on Career Center, you're going to scroll down to Appointments. Click on Appointments and click on Schedule a New Appointment. Next, choose your college. For this exercise, we're going to choose the College of Humanities and Social Sciences. You're going to select your appointment type. Now on your page, there'll be more options than this. Once you click on that, opportunities to make that appointment will appear. Next, how to find an event on campus. We're going to go back to home, and again, we're going to go to the left-hand side and click on events. Now, Handshake has not only on-campus events, but events through different sorts of companies and organizations, and they're all listed here on the events page. However, students typically want to know about the events that are happening on campus. Now, they're listed at the top here, but if they're not, you can kind of go to the filters section. And you can see the filters for all the events that are taking place on campus. Right now, we have 2 events coming up. If you're interested in coming to one of our events that's coming up on campus, you're going to click on the event and there'll be more information about that event. There will be a little description of the event, and then there'll also be a list of the employers that are attending. You will also have the opportunity to register for the event or join the event. You don't have to join the event to attend. We don't want you to feel like you can't attend if you didn't sign up for it. However, it is a good idea to do so. Remember, for all events, we really encourage students to dress to impress. So to wear clothes that you typically would be a little bit more formal and nicer to come to a job fair. We want you to look like you want, professional. Again, that's typically how you find an event on campus through Handshake. Thank you and have a nice day.